We are getting to the first floor apartment. Nice woodwork around. We are getting into the kitchen. So it's new cabinets, new stove, and here we have the living room and carpet. And take a look at this chandelier and ceiling. You don't see any more this time. Okay, so we are going through the kitchen. We are going to the second part of the apartment. So brand new electricity, and this is bathroom. So, and if you see window, it's boarded. It's just to for security purposes. It's nice area, but you never be careful enough. Okay, so we are getting into the one of the bedroom. Okay, so this bedroom has nice window here, and it has ironing board. Okay, so sorry, so we have closet here, pretty big closet. Okay, so then we are going to another bedroom. We have closet here. Okay, so this is another bedroom with shelves. Then we are going, this is outside actually of the apartment. This is back entrance of this apartment, and it has a storage room. And so it's not heated, but you can use it as a storage.